Yo, yo, yo. Who can hear me? Get some things off my list. How we doing? How we doing? We have FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. today, so it shouldn't be too important of news. It's not really it's not really that pressing. It's basically, if you guys don't know what the minutes is, I think it's from the last meeting. They basically just write a report on the September meeting. So it's not like it's new information. Everything's already been priced in. But I'm gonna go give my outlook right now for the day. So let's do this. Let's mark out 9:30. This is the overnight range we're working with. And let's see what's going on ES. Okay. Let's mark some overnight highs. So we have London high up here. Just write it. London high. London low. And these are going to be the relevant overnight levels for us. So we can get rid of the indicator. And now I'm going to jump to the hourly and try to understand what's going on. So we have this range from this high all the way down to near close. Actually gonna make it wider. And we have to understand what's actually happening. So on the higher time frame, we're pulling back to deep discount down here. And now we're approaching this 50% mark. The narrative, in my opinion, is still going to be higher, but I want to see a pullback or some sort of sweep. Some sort of sweep of these New York lows down here, this level, before we consider like positioning ourselves um, long term, or we can look for these London lows that coincide with Asia. This would be a good level to potentially get long off of and hold for targets up here. But we'll see. If we get signs of reversal off London low, then we'll take it. If not, we're gonna wait for New York lows. What is it? High time frame bear flag now? Well, two things can happen off open. So if off open, we go lower, we manipulate lower. I'm gonna expect us to go higher the rest of the morning session. But if we marked out this 0.5 of the range right here. Actually, let me make it a little bit. Yeah, right there. 0.5 of range. Let's say we manipulate higher off open. We take out London high. We might even take out this 0.5 level, right? Now, if we don't have signs of strength, I would look to take an inversion play down to near close. I'm trying to trade opposite of the manipulation off open, if that makes sense. So it's going to be a reversal play regardless. I think higher probability is if we have if we have speed and delivery of these New York lows and we react quickly, I think that um, this level is in play, and we can even make new all-time highs today. But if we don't, if it's a slow grind, if buyers have to really work for it, then it's gonna be a little bit more tricky today. But we have 50 minutes until the opening bell, so we're gonna be patient, not take anything until then. Do you guys know if I'm allowed to have music like Spotify music with YouTube stream? Okay, I don't think I'm allowed to stream my audio, so I'm just gonna have it for myself. Yeah, I think you get copyrighted. It's not worth it. So this is the play, either this, right? Or if we manipulate higher, down to New York lows. Let me put this in the Discord. Can no copyright rap. Just grinding up. Alright, I'm gonna come up with a new chart layout. So it's gonna be yo yo yo, what's up, Yami? Alright, so this is gonna be our 15-minute. I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know why the bot is doing that. Here on my naughty list, it said, what the? Yeah, I don't know how to control the night bot, to be honest. Night bot. Yeah, it's literally rage baiting. Hold on, let me get this bot to chill out. I wish I knew how, to be honest. Alright, what was I doing? Yeah, template. Let's get current interval. Bro, what is your PC spec? Is it good? Like, is the stream good? Is that what you're asking, or like you're just curious about what kind of PC I have? I just have parts that Shinobi gave me, like motherboard, GPU. I have like a 3080. Alright, so this first one is gonna be, is it hourly? This is the hourly on NQ, and then I want to have like 15-minute, no, 5-minute here. 15-minute here. We're gonna have, bro, I did all my charting on NQ. What am I doing? I need to lock in real quick. Fix this. No, where are you from? I'm from New Jersey, but I live in Florida now. Louder. Oh. Make this real quick. Okay. Very easy. Got the game plan right here. 15-minute, 5-minute. And let's do ES 5-minute over here. You're from Nepal, bro? How do you trade prop firms in Nepal? Are you allowed to do that? Or your charts look clean? Yeah, they are clean. If you wanna just take this. This is the color for the green. Black is just black. This is the settings. In terms of canvas, it's this white. Just use that. I don't know. I like it. The government still shut down. Yeah, it's the 8th day the government is shut down. It's freaking crazy. How long have you been trading? Probably like 5 years. Maybe like 2 years with prop firms. Alright, we got the open. Let's see what transpires. If we get like another day of just garbage price, man, it's gonna be so annoying. I'm usually playing Clash Royale. around this time. You like 131. I have that level marked. It's 0.5 of the range. That's only if this gets treated as manipulation. Like we already had this big move yesterday. The market doesn't have to wait for us to go back up to the highs. If we get rejection up here, not just like setting a limit order, but if we get rejection, then look for those shorts. Otherwise, like don't get in the way. Don't get in the way of a moving train. How many people we got in here? 30? Is it 30? I don't see anyone typing. There's only like 2 people chatting. Well, I want to see some messages in the chat. Maybe a little giveaway today. Who knows? Okay, we rebalanced the range. Wow, what a move. Yeah, gold is just probably pumping. GC. No, nothing's happening to gold right now. But yeah, that pump overnight was crazy. I'm like half locked in on the charts, half locked in on Clash Royale. Let me see. Okay, like this 1 minute. Ideally, you want to see price consolidate a little bit up here. Consolidate, and then make a break below prominent low, retest, and then drop. So I want to see us hold up here. And then this is going to be changing the state if we close here, under here. But when I'm losing my Clash Royale game. Yes is just dumping. Okay, I'm looking to take this short right now. Let me get my other. I'm not entered yet. I'm just gonna log into my other screens. ES is. I think ES wants more. ES is leading right now. Just waiting. I'm eyeing shorts. if ES can keep going lower, it's very good. Okay. All right, I'm in right now. I'm in shorts at 17 to stop at the highs. Using top step. Um, this is just a draw on liquidity play. Bro, Bart, you gotta chill out. Bart talks, I'm about to get stopped out. Alright, let's go. Lower. Lower price, please. This is early, so I'm sized light. I'm sized like 4 micros, so I can get stopped out and I can still look for another trade. It's gonna edge us. Yeah, it's gonna stop us out, but kind of an early entry. I think ES still wants to go lower. We swept like these 8 a.m. lows. All right. Stopped out. That's one L on the day. It's small though, like 18 points. It was just so strong. ES is telling me it wants lower though. Look at this. Look at these levels down here. ES wants to come down here. Switch to MNQ. Patience, patience. Bro, ES looks like a free fall to me, to here. We have a crazy divergence right here. SMT here. SMT rebounds 0.5 of the range. We have a 30-second inversion. I still think shorts are the play. Okay, I'm gonna re-enter. Alright, I'm in 5 micros at 30. And 5 micros at 30. Let's go. Stop loss at the highs. Yeah. Let's go, let's ride. We're gonna go break even. Break even at these lows. BE. Let's go, it's 10 points right there. I guess this is proof of execution. Well, I really want to see this play out. If we just keep going higher all morning, it's just there's gonna be no entry. Do not want to see this gap getting closed above. We need to reject, else I'm gonna probably clip it. Alright. It's just ripping in my face. Gonna be down like 400 on the day. If this hits stop loss. Yep. Alright. Down like 400. I think I'm chilling. I'm done. Done for the day. Bro, it's like I stream and then I take L's. I'm gonna be so tight if this just comes back down. I would take this again. Like looking back. 30-second immersion. Just needed more volume confirmation. Like you don't want to see these wiki candles. But this is the scenario that I had in my mind. Once we sweep London highs in 0.5 of the range, I was going to be looking for shorts. It's okay, it's part of the game. Like yeah, I could probably look for another trade and try to make the money back, but just like I don't want to go and tilt, you know. There's just no point. Bro, I'm gonna be so mad. Bro says should have taken the long blood. I hate you, Carlos. I actually hate you, bro. Yeah, I want to look for shorts, but this 15-minute. Sick. thought because the plane Wi-Fi. Yesterday's Asia had nothing for me. I was looking at Asia for shorts. I wanted to see these lows get put in, but we only got the 5 minute inversion at like 1, 2 a.m. I was already sleeping by then. It would have delivered like 50 points if I took it. Yeah, this is probably just gonna be unfavorable for me. Mm, There's a lot of lag between ES and NQ right now. If longs are the case, then ES would be the one to take because it has ways to go. But literally just got bent over in the first 20 minutes. Just got stopped 160 on shorts. Yeah, just pause off for a little bit. Bro, these divergences are just too much right now. Let's check why I'm. Bro, like, fuck. I don't understand. The market is so indecisive right now. I'm gonna go like 30 seconds. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, hit my drop, PDA, biases bearish and divergence on the S. Honestly, it was a good trade. Yeah, when the assets like this aren't a grain, it is something. Definitely should have recognized it before we entered. But give me like a minute or two. We're back. Market just running away from us. I don't think this was a bad trade actually. With SMTs at highs, 30-second inversion, clear targets below. I would take that again. Would you use TDO? What is TDO? Tradeify? Trade day? Or is it an indicator? Just tagging me. True day open. Sometimes I look at true day open, but not really. Are you incorporating it in your system? If so, how? Yeah. To trade. It's just an infinite bid. Yeah. It's a bit confusing. It's not always consistent, but when it's there, like the stars align and it makes sense. We're not even that far from all-time high. Like realistically, I don't see anything here that that screams long during the AM. Yes, we had this range. We pulled back into discount. We have a 5-minute inversion, but like this is just pattern trading, right? Yes, you could have been long here, but there's no sweep of any level. It might work today, but like any other day, it'll just reject instant stop loss. Instant stop loss, then it'll sweep your level and then continue higher. So it's kind of a mind frick. I don't know about you, but I don't feel good taking shorts so close to all time. Yeah, I don't feel good anymore about these shorts. Like, overall, my narrative ever since we made these lows was that we're gonna go back up higher. It's just like when is that gonna happen, right? It's just like it's terrible, but it's like a matter of timing it. Because sometimes you can enter early, right? You can have the clear drawn liquidity. Let's say you entered long at this 5 minute inversion, and then it's just instant stop loss. Like your bias is right, but you take an L in the trade. So your timing is off, right? You're entering at the wrong time. You need to wait for some sort of sweep before we go higher. You need that liquidity. But today it just keeps going up. So the market's gonna be irrational, longer than you can like stay solvent. So it can keep doing these moves that make no sense longer than you have like the capital to deploy and I guess be in shorts and whatnot. So why cash is a position. I think the second trade we took was much better than we tried out shorts here and we got stopped for like 18 points. Down here this is like a probably like a B tier. This is an A setup for me. 30-second inversion, sweep of the highs, rebalance the range, clear targets. Nothing's screaming to me right now, so Um, I don't think there's gonna be any more trade for me today. It's just the two L's, so I'm gonna end stream. You guys should go watch Shinobi stream. He's gonna be live right now. So take care. Hope you guys have a good one.